My name is Alicia Newman-Lorick. I'm a fashion stylist and publisher of the blog madlychic.com. I'm here today with Oliver to do a tutorial for a boy's scarf. So the first look is just the knot. And you want to start with one side a little bit longer than the other. Then you're going to tie it around once, like so. And Oliver, can you stick that end into the hole? Perfect. And then you're just going to adjust it a little bit, as high up as you want it to go. There. That's the first look. The second look is very easy. It's called the loop around. So Oliver, can you just loop one side around the other? Perfect. And again, you can just adjust it like so, like that. And if it's really cold out, you can actually loop it around a couple of times for warmth, right?
Can I add something?
Sure. What's that look called, Oliver?
The banded look.
That's the bandit look. Okay. One more to go. Next, this is another very easy one, and this is one that Oliver can do by himself too. So you want to fold this in half. Can you put it around your neck? And then put this side into the hole on this side. Perfect. And then again, just adjust as necessary. Thanks for your help, Oliver. I'm Alicia Newman-Lorick of madlychic.com, and this was Tutorial for a Boy's Scarf.